Eldoret City. Today, if you're walking in Eldoret, you're already walking on a history. This place was not called Eldoret before. It was called Farm 64. Just as simple as that. But why? Let me tell you. In 1910, this is what Eldoret looked like. No tarmac road, no Zion Mall, just open grassland. The British colonial government had divided this area into farms. The place was so called plot number 64, so they just called it Farm 64. Just as simple as that. The first people settled here were the Africania family from South Africa. They came because the land was so high, cold, and good for farming. They planted sisal, like you see. They planted sisal, like you see in this picture, and they built small wooden houses along the dirty road from Kisumu to Uganda. But why the name Eldoret? It comes from the Maasai word Eldor. Eldor means the stone river. The river that passes near Eldoret is full of stones. The Maasai called it Eldor. When the settlers tried to pronounce it, it was become difficult, and therefore they pronounced it Eldoret. So Farm 64 became Eldoret in 1912 because of that stone river. So next time, when someone asks you, where are you from? You may tell them you are from the Stone River or you are from Eldor. I will tell you part 2 tomorrow, the story of how 58 families walked for months to reach this place called Eldoret.